Hello all my shadow crafters, how are you doing? I finally got the pixie box in today. Let's find out. Yay! Enchanted Forest. One of the ones I've been waiting for impatiently. So, let's see what they really look like. I don't care. I just want to see it. Okay, what do we have? Glow-in-the-dark stars. A shamrock bookmark. Little butterfly studs. Ooh, they're smaller than I thought. That's okay, we'll figure something out with these. Transfers, I'll take a look at these in a bit. These look like, what are they? Butterfly confettis. Maybe that'll do better. Maybe not. And this is green mica powder. Looks like it's a color shift. And this is the orange cotton glitter. I love these. I always save these bags. Some charms. Oh, it's a little pixie. I thought it was a regular rose. That's okay. Yeah, it's a rose. A crystal mold to add to my collection. 3 reindeer charms. Two pixie mizzles. And what do we have? Acrylic paint marker, water-based. We already got a black one from them earlier, from a different box. Oh, little 3D butterfly. And a little 3D dragonfly. Little teddy bear mold. A leaf mold, I thought that was bigger. Oh, you know, I'm not quite sure. I know they're puzzle pieces and tags, but I might make this. 4-leaf clovers. Didn't notice that. And some leaves, dried leaves. They're all dried. More butterflies. And some flowers. There's stickers too. The other one was stickers too. Oh, thank you for watching. Hope you come back for more. Don't forget to buy me some coffee, like, share, subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 molds. Alright. Namaste. Have a great day.